like, you know, there's a lot of people who are body shamed.
Right.
You know, and what do you think about that? Have you ever been through, you know, body shame? You have?
I have. जब मैं बॉम्बे शिफ्ट हुई थी, जब मैं 20 साल की थी, and I started giving my auditions, तब एक दो लोगों ने बोला था कि थोड़ा पतला होना पड़ेगा, because बॉम्बे के लिए वो स्टैंडर्ड था, but that time I didn't have the access or the understanding, because you're a kid. I want to tell that being thin is not being fit.
Fit, exactly.
That's the first bottom line of it, you know. बहुत लोग पतले होते हैं, but possibly they have the worst system inside. Immunity नहीं होगी. So what you put in your body is how your body is going to react, and that's in terms of thoughts also.
Exactly.
So I'm not saying कि आप पतले हो जाओगे या मोटे हो जाओगे, but gut is the body's second brain.
I totally agree.
Yeah, and if your gut is happy, if you're feeding it, giving it good fertile thing, आपका दिमाग positive रहेगा, आप अच्छे thoughts में रहोगे, everything will be happy, you know, no depression. Actually, people have linked कि depression होता है तो लोग emotional eating करते हैं. Actually, जब आपके body का system सब ऊपर नीचे होता है, is when depression might happen.
Depression happens. We never ever talk about our gut.
Which is the most important
aspect
organ of your body.
Yeah.
You know, people don't even know how big and long it is, what all happens inside, and I think it's the most important.
Totally.
Yeah.
बहुत लोग carbs को cut out करते हैं, proteins पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं, but they don't talk about fiber, they don't talk about prebiotics, probiotics.
Yeah.
ये बहुत ज़रूरी होता है.
And it's nature. हम जो अचार खाते थे बचपन में या अभी भी, that is fermented. Or if you look at dosa, you know, which is fermented. That if people understand,
get back to the basics.
Get back to basics.
रकुल, मैंने सुना कि आप इतनी passionate है fitness को लेकर कि आपने gyms भी खोल दिए हैदराबाद में.
जी 2015 में पहला जिम खोला था, and a year after that the other two.
It doesn't say too much about me because मैं भी fitness को लेकर बहुत excited हूँ, लेकिन मैंने restaurants खोले.
But I love your restaurant.
Thanks.